Welcome to Tech Brothers Dhamma. In this video, we are going to learn about when and otherwise in PySpark. So when works like if in SQL. It is used to apply conditional logic to the columns, and otherwise works like else in SQL, used to specify what happens if a condition is not met. So we are going to take a look at how exactly this if and else or when or otherwise work here. So here is my sample data. You can see right there we have ID here, then we have name here, and then we have salary right there. Now here is the list of the columns. So I have ID, name, and salary for this sample data, and I'm creating a data frame called df by using the spark.create data frame, and I'm providing a sample data here, and here is a schema that I'm using a list of the columns. So once this data frame is created, you can take a look right there. So let me show you the data frame, and here is our data frame, and you can see that we have ID, name, and salary, and some null values right there. Now we are going to start with the basic when and classify the based on the salary. So here what I want to do, if salary is greater than or equal to 55,000, then it's label it high, otherwise I'm going to label it low. So that's my condition. And here I'm creating a new data frame called df with the band, and I'm applying df.withColumn. Now I'm adding this column here and saying salary band, and when column salary is greater than or equal to 55,000, then high, and then I'm using otherwise low. So see, here is my if, and if that's true, then apply high, and otherwise that's my else, and then I'm using this data frame and showing the results here. So let me go ahead and execute this part, and you will see that if salary is greater than 55,000, that is here in 60,000, and 55,000 that's equal to 2. So here we are seeing the two values here. The new column salary band is equal to high. Rest of the columns are null, because we said that null doesn't matter, it is a null or have any value for those ones. Now we want to go further and apply more detailed conditions, so we can do that, and we categorize employees as high, medium, low, or unknown. So for the null values we want to go for unknown, so we will try that too. So here's a situation. We are creating a new data frame, a df underscore with category, and then applying the with column on the data frame we have on top. So we have data frame dot with column, and here is the column that I want to create called salary category, and I'm saying when column salary is greater than equal to 60,000, then high, and then again I'm saying dot when column salary greater than equal to 50,000 and column salary is less than 60,000, then it's the medium. So if the range is between these two values, then this is going to be medium. And then at the again I'm saying if or I'm using keyword when, but I'm saying in other words, if column value of salary is less than 50,000, then it is low, and then if that's not the case, otherwise unknown. So all these condition has to be matched here. So maybe with the some records of high, some medium, some low, and then whatever is left, that's unknown. And then I'm just using the dot show function to see all the records from this data frame. So I'm going to go ahead and execute here, and you will see right here. So anything that is $60,000, 60,000 or more, it is going to go for high. Anything that is between 50,000, yes, 50,000 or between 60,000, that's go as a medium. You can see right there these values lie between that range, and then we have low wherever it is less than 50,000, and then finally for unknowns we have right there that does not fit into this criteria, that's null values, and that's why otherwise we have unknown. So this is how you will use the when and otherwise to apply different conditions on your data frame and create new columns or filter or whatever you want to do. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.